If you're not a parent or a child aged 6 to 18, this video is not for you. In this video, we're going to take a real in-depth look at the GoHenry Kids Card and app. And we'll be hearing from an actual parent and an actual child about what they think about GoHenry. So stick around until our reality check section for that. GoHenry is a prepaid debit card and app for kids aged 6 to 18. A GoHenry account comes with a parent account, a kids account, and a prepaid Visa debit card for your kid. The parent and kids accounts are linked and managed via apps on your phone. From your parent account, you can top up their account, set chores for them to earn pocket money, and generally oversee their spending. And you can open up to 4 child accounts per adult account. In the kids account, your children can track their spending, set savings goals and start putting money aside, learn more about money through money missions and more. And you can treat them to a personalised debit card. 2 defining features for GoHenry are its extremely thorough parental controls and its educational tools, including guides, games and quizzes designed to help your kids learn how to build good spending and saving habits. Let's take a close look at these 2 features and more in the next section. Safety is obviously a key concern for parents, especially if you're handing a prepaid debit card and app over to a 6-year-old. As part of their parental controls, you'll get instant notifications when your kid spends on their card, and you can set limits on how much your kids spend and at which stores, including blocking online purchases or ATM withdrawals. GoHenry also automatically blocks purchases from age-restricted stores like betting shops, off-licenses and pubs. GoHenry's educational resources really do set it apart. Those money missions I mentioned, for example, are award-winning videos and quizzes that follow the national curriculum and teach money skills spanning subjects like jobs and earning, spending wisely and saving. At the time of making this video, GoHenry are working to structure these lessons over 3 levels for different age groups, so your kids can advance their knowledge as they grow up. Your kids can earn a little pocket money every time they complete a money mission, but you can set limits on this so they don't get carried away and drain your account by doing 100 missions a day. Other key features we like are the parent paid interest on your kids' account, which you can upgrade to GoHenry paid interest with a different tier account. More on this in a bit. The Junior Stocks and Shares ISA, which your child can access when they turn 18, and the flexibility for families to manage their accounts in a way that works for them. For example, GoHenry also offer a co-parent account, and friends and relatives can use gift links to easily send money to your kids' accounts. We also really like how GoHenry grows with your kids. What suits a 6-year-old is going to be like kryptonite for a teenager. So for example, when your kid turns 13, they can unlock new features like having their wage paid into their account and being able to use Apple Pay and contactless payments. In terms of stuff we don't like, GoHenry doesn't offer a free account. It only comes with 1 free top-up to your kids' account each month. You can't deposit cash into the account, and it doesn't pay interest other than the parent-paid interest on the standard plan, whereas some of its competitors, like Starling Kite, do have this feature. The standard GoHenry Everyday account costs $3.99 a month per child. It comes with all the features I mentioned in the last section, but only a limited number of money missions. You get 1 free top-up a month, after which each top-up costs 50p. Your GoHenry account also comes with no transaction, ATM withdrawal, or foreign transaction fees, and personalised cards cost $4.99. GoHenry's Plus account costs $5.99 and comes with a full deck of money missions, unlimited free top-ups, cashback on in-store purchases, and a pretty decent non-parent paid interest rate on your kids' savings. At the time of making this video, GoHenry were offering a 30-day free trial for new members. However, we have a bit of a Finder exclusive where you can get 2 months free and 15 quid pocket money when you sign up. Visit our GoHenry guide on finder.com by clicking here to find out more about that offer. The standard GoHenry card comes in this fetching red colour, but for $4.99 your kids can customise their card with over 45 designs, from fun patterns and prints to football themes and cute animals. The app is equally fun and colourful and really engaging, especially with all the money missions, quizzes and videos. It's well designed and easy to navigate, and we appreciate the subtle differences between the kids and parent accounts to make them as engaging and educational as possible for kids without being patronising. Our banking expert, Kate Steer, has awarded GoHenry a very strong finder score of 4 out of 5. GoHenry also won our Kids Spending App Innovation category in our 2023 Banking Innovation Awards, beating competitors like NatWest Rooster Money and Starling Kite. Being neither a parent or child aged 6 to 18, I feel unqualified to provide you lovely people with a brutally honest take on whether GoHenry is any good. So let's hear from some real on-the-ground experts, Josh and Kate.
The money missions are good because they help you learn about financializing and budgeting crypto money. And I also like how you can set saving goals, because then you can know what you're saving up for, and it sort of gives you the idea that you don't want to spend anything until you actually reach your goal.
As a parent, I really like GoHenry. I've found that Josh is really engaged with things like money missions. He's learned loads of money matters from it. And he just likes using the app. So he's always asking me, can I check my balance? Can I move this from my savings fund? Having the sort of separate savings goals where you can see the percentage really helps him. He's not the best saver, so being able to see himself make progress with his saving is really good. To be honest, the fee puts me off a little bit. I've got other bank accounts where I could have a free option to have a kids card, but the features and everything like that really make up for it with GoHenry. And as I said, Josh enjoys it so much that I wouldn't really want to move him to a different card now.
To read our full review of GoHenry on finder.com, click here and follow the link below. As always, if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe and hit that bell button below for more review videos just like this one. Thanks for watching.